Hey everyone! Have you ever been totally stuck trying to figure out the perfect gift for someone? You know, you want it to be special, but your mind just goes blank. It's a tricky situation, right? Well, today we're going to dive into exactly that, brainstorming amazing gift ideas and making sure you're ready for any birthday that comes your way. Get ready to level up your English and your gift-giving skills. Jake, oh my goodness, I'm so glad we're doing this. Sarah's birthday is like next week and I have zero ideas. Zero. My brain is just completely empty.
Anna, I totally hear you. That's why I wanted to grab coffee today. We need to put our heads together and really brainstorm some good stuff. We don't want to just get her anything, right? Sarah deserves something great.
Exactly. She's such a great friend. But what do you even get the person who, seems to have everything? Or at least everything she needs?
Okay, so here's the thing. I think the key is to think about Sarah herself. What does she actually enjoy? What are her hobbies these days? I know she was super into painting last year, but has that changed?
Oh, that's such a good point. She's definitely still painting, yeah, but I feel like she has all the supplies she could ever need. She just bought a bunch of new canvases last month.
Okay, so maybe not more art supplies. What about experiences? Like a gift certificate for a pottery class or a weekend art retreat? Something to spark new inspiration?
Ooh, I love the idea of an experience. That's really thoughtful. She's always saying she wants to try new things. A pottery class could be cool. She's so good with her hands.
Yeah, exactly. And it's something she might not buy for herself. It's a way to give her an adventure, not just another thing that will sit on a shelf.
True. I mean, sometimes a practical gift is good too. But for a birthday, I feel like you want something a bit more special. Not just a new toaster, unless she specifically asked for one, which she hasn't.
No, definitely not a toaster for Sarah. Unless it was like a super artistic handmade ceramic toaster that also paints pictures. Then maybe.
Okay, that would be an exception. But thinking about the experience idea, what's our budget looking like? Because some of those classes can get pretty pricey.
That's a super important question. I was thinking maybe we could go in on something together, pool our resources. If we each put in, say, $50, that gives us $100. We could even ask Mark and Emily if they want to join too.
Oh, that's smart. A group gift. That opens up a lot more possibilities. $100 or even $150 would get us a pretty decent experience for her. Maybe a spa day? She's been so stressed with work lately.
A spa day. That's another great one. Sarah definitely deserves some relaxation. We could get her a gift certificate for a massage or a facial. She'd totally appreciate that.
Yeah, I think she would. Or what about something related to her love for coffee? She's always at that new artisan coffee shop downtown.
Oh, that's a good angle. Maybe a high-quality pour-over coffee maker or one of those fancy electric kettles with temperature control. She's a bit of a coffee snob in the best way possible.
She totally is. But isn't that leaning a bit towards the practical side? I mean, it's useful, but is it birthday special?
Good point. But sometimes practical can be special if it's something they genuinely want or would upgrade. Like a super nice insulated travel mug she can take to work, or really special rare coffee beans from a local roaster. Something she'd enjoy every single day.
Okay, I see what you mean. A high-quality version of something she already uses and loves. That definitely counts as thoughtful. And less clutter, which is a bonus.
Exactly. So we have experience gifts like pottery or a spa day, and then high-quality hobby-related items like special coffee gear. What else? What about something a little more personalized? Something unique to her?
Ooh, I love personalized gifts. Like something with her initials on it. Or a custom piece of jewelry. But again, that depends on our budget.
Yeah, definitely. But personalized doesn't always have to be super expensive. What about a custom art print featuring one of her favorite places she's traveled to, or a photo album filled with pictures of us over the years?
Oh, wow. A photo album is really sweet. That's definitely thoughtful and something she would cherish. It shows we really put effort into it.
Right? It's not just about the monetary value. It's about the emotional value. And it really targets the recipient, Sarah specifically. It's about her memories, her friendships.
That's such a good way to look at it. Okay, so we're talking about 3 main categories now. Experiences, high-quality hobby items, and personalized sentimental items.
Yep, exactly. Now let's refine this a bit. Out of the experiences, which do you think Sarah would genuinely get the most out of right now? Pottery class or spa day?
That's tough. She loves both. but I feel like the spa day might be more immediate relief from stress, and a pottery class, while fun, might feel like more work to schedule right now. Just a thought.
That's a fair point. A spa day is pure relaxation, and is something she probably wouldn't book for herself because she always puts others first. Making it a gift is a way of saying, hey, take care of yourself.
Totally. And if we get Mark and Emily on board, we could probably get her a really nice package. Maybe a massage and a facial, or even a full day pass to a fancy spa.
Okay. I'm leaning towards the spa day then, if we can make the budget work with the group. Let's keep that as a strong contender. What about the high-quality hobby items? Any specific coffee things come to mind?
Well, she's always complaining about her old coffee grinder. It's super loud and doesn't grind evenly. A really good burr grinder would be a game changer for her morning routine.
Oh, that's a perfect example of a practical gift that's still thoughtful. It solves a problem for her, and she uses it every day. And a good burr grinder isn't cheap, so it feels like a real treat.
Exactly. It's something she probably wouldn't splurge on for herself, but she would absolutely love it. Plus, her coffee would taste even better, which is a win for everyone, really.
A win for us too when we visit and get offered amazing coffee. So a high-end burr grinder, that's a solid option too. Now, for the personalized and sentimental category, the photo album is lovely, but is there anything else that really screams Sarah?
What about a custom piece of art? Not something she paints, but something someone else paints for her, like a portrait of her cat, Mittens.
Oh, wow. A custom pet portrait? That's brilliant. Sarah absolutely adores Mittens. That would be so incredibly personalized and thoughtful. And it ties into her love of art too.
Right? I saw this artist online who does these really cute minimalist pet portraits, and they're actually not super expensive, depending on the size. We could even get a digital file and have it printed and framed ourselves to save some money.
See, that's smart thinking with the budget. Okay, so now we have 3 really strong options. The spa day, the high-end coffee grinder, or the custom pet portrait. This is so much better than 0 ideas, Anna.
I know, right? This brainstorm session was exactly what I needed. But now, how do we choose? Do we think about what she needs most or what would bring her the most joy?
Good question. I think for a birthday, joy wins. We want her to feel celebrated, not just supplied. So, which of these would make her light up the most when she opens it?
The spa day is great for relaxation. The coffee grinder is super useful. But the pet portrait, I think that might actually make her cry happy tears.
Yeah, I'm thinking the same. Mittens is like her child, a beautiful, unique piece of art of her beloved cat. That's a home run into thoughtful and personalized categories.
It really is. And it's something she can display in her home forever, not something that gets used up or is just for one day. It's a lasting memory.
Yeah, I'm sold on a pet portrait. Let's reach out to Mark and Emily. I bet they'd be thrilled to contribute to something so unique for Sarah. We just need a good photo of Mittens now.
Oh, I have a million. Sarah sends me cat pictures daily. This is great, Jake. Thank you for helping me through my gift-giving crisis. I feel so much better now.
Anytime, Anna. It's always easier when you have someone to brainstorm with. And it's for Sarah, so it's worth the effort. She's the best.
She really is. Okay, so plan. I'll text Mark and Emily about the group gift idea and the pet portrait. You find that artist website again? The one you mentioned?
Got it. I'll track down a few options for the artist, and we can compare. We want to make sure it's the right style for Sarah and Mittens, and that it fits within our collective budget, of course.
Perfect. This is actually going to be fun now, instead of stressful. Thanks, Jake.
No problem. I'm already picturing Sarah's face when she unwraps it. It's going to be epic.
Wow, you're still here. That means you're serious about learning English, and I love that about you. Every minute you spend listening is making you better. Keep going. All right, let's break down some of those awesome words and phrases Anna and Jake used. First up, we heard recipient. The recipient is simply the person who receives something. So if you're giving a gift, the recipient is the person getting it. Super useful, right? Next, they talked about a thoughtful gift. When a gift is thoughtful, it means you put a lot of care and consideration into choosing it. It shows you really know and appreciate the person. It's not just random, it's chosen with love. Then there was practical. A practical gift is something useful, something the person needs or can use regularly, like a new coffee grinder or a nice travel mug. It serves a purpose in their daily life. And of course, budget. Your budget is the amount of money you have available to spend. It's important to think about your budget when planning any purchase, especially for gifts, so you don't overspend.
They also mentioned to brainstorm. To brainstorm means to come up with as many ideas as possible, usually in a group, without worrying about whether they're good or bad at first. It's about generating lots of options. Finally, we have personalized. A personalized gift is one that is made or chosen specifically for that person, often with their name, initials, or something unique to them. Like the custom pet portrait for Sarah, it makes the gift extra special and unique. Here's a bonus tip for gift shopping. Always consider the recipient's hobbies, personality, and needs first. This makes the gift much more meaningful and easier to choose than just guessing. Wow, what a great discussion. I hope this conversation between Anna and Jake gave you some fantastic ideas for your next gift hunt, and of course, boosted your English skills. You're doing amazing work. Now, here's a question for you. What's the best gift you've ever given or received, and why was it so special? Share your stories in the comments. And that's it for today's episode. Hit subscribe if you want to keep learning English the fun way. I'll see you in the next lesson.